Hey everyone, today on Tuesday's Tips, we're going to talk about low voltage lighting. This time of the year, the time change is coming. It's right around the corner, November the 3rd, it's time change. We have to fall back. And when you fall back like that, we get that dark. Typically, a lot of us go to work when it's dark, we come home when it's dark. And so we wanted to help you today think about some of that. How do we get some light on the house on the way back in at night or early in the morning? So I want to talk about that for a few seconds. Low voltage is a great asset to the home. Gives you the ability to show the architecture off of your home during the night or during the early morning. And so some of the things that people always ask me were like, well, how do you do it? Or those kind of things, or what does it cost, and so forth. But I wanted to go over some of those things to keep in mind. Number one, these are the fixtures. These are low voltage fixtures. You need to keep those in mind. If you go over to Walmart or Lowe's, they sell them absolutely every day. And they sell plastic products. The stuff that we use and we recommend to people are brushed brass or an aluminum, so that it's going to hold up to the elements of the sun. And then another thing that we always look at is low voltage LED light bulbs. The light bulbs that we put in, those we can get in different wattages. You can get them in 3s, 5s, and so forth, to give you that concept and that look, that desired look that we're looking for against the home. The other thing that we always talk about is the timer or the transformer. We can put in a timer as simple as it does its thing. It comes on, it goes off using a photocell, or you can get a lot more sophisticated and we can actually change different colors of lights on the house. We can also have the front yard come on at one time and the backyard come on another, or steps come on at a different time. And so there's so many different components to that we can get into. But the main components that you want to look at are your locationing and your positioning of your lights. Where do we want lights? Where do we need lights? Those kind of things. But also look at the product that you're installing. The product that you're installing, you can go a cheap route and you can be replacing it in a few years, or you can use a more commercial grade professional product and have it there for years to come. So here's one of the things that we'll offer, we as Real-Turf Solutions, is we offer a free demo. So if you're interested in lights on your home, there's no obligation. We don't require you to make a deposit or make a payment or any of that. But if you're interested in some low voltage lights on your home, or seeing what it would even look like, we'd be more than happy to bring out our demo, set it up for you, just to give you a look and see what it looks like. That will also give you the opportunity to give our guys the opportunity to set up a demo and to run through that process as well. One of the other things that low voltage lighting can do for your home is it can also add to the security. We know that burglaries are up in the neighborhoods and in our area, and so when you have low voltage lights, people can't be hiding in the bushes or hiding around the corner, because those lights light up everything so that people can see them before they get to your house. If we can help you with your low voltage lighting, give us a call, let us know.